either or neither. Are you unsure how to use either and neither in a sentence? Don't worry about it that much because you are not alone. In fact, many English speakers are frustrated by the same problem. Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna learn about the words either and neither, how to use them in negative sentence and in combination with or and nor. But before we start, let's talk about first their pronunciation. Both either and neither have flexible pronunciation. You can say either or either or neither or neither. Both are correct. It depends on which one you prefer. If you want to say either and neither, it's fine. Or you can say either and neither. It's also fine. Or you can use both. You can use either or either, neither or neither. There's no problem with that. Now let's look at how we use them in negative sentence. Either and neither in negative sentence are used to mean to. For example, if someone says, "I cannot come to the party," this sentence is negative because of the verb can't or cannot. And if you agree with that person or you feel the same, you can say, "I can't either," or "neither can I." Although both either and neither are used both as negative to, they follow different rules. In our example, I can't come to the party, and we said I can't either. So here, either is combined with a negative verb, can't or cannot, and either comes last in a sentence. In our example, I can't come to the party. I can't either. So we answered with I can't either. Here, either is used with the negative verb can't. But always remember we only use contraction. So we say I can't either. We don't usually say I cannot either. Just I can't either. Alright, so for you to make it easier to remember, just always think that either is used for positive sentence. Since we're using it for negative sentence, we will use the negative verb, like can't. I can't either. Neither can I, on the other hand, is combined with a positive verb, can, and always comes first in the sentence. Neither can I. So either is for positive and neither for negative. Since neither is already negative, we will only use the positive verb. So that means the verb without not. So we say neither can I. Can is a positive verb. So remember, either is for positive, and we need the negative verb to make a negative sentence. And either always comes last in a sentence. I can't either. While neither is already negative, so we will just add a positive verb. And always remember that neither comes first in a sentence. Repeat after me. Neither can I. I can't either. Alright, so let's look at the two major mistakes that we usually do when using either and neither. The first one, it is wrong to combine neither with a negative verb. For example, Jonah didn't join the meeting. Neither didn't Judy. So it is incorrect. So how should we say it? We should say, neither did Judy. Because neither is already negative, we only need to use a positive verb, did. Neither did Judy. It is also wrong to say, Judy didn't neither. So how should we say it? We should say, Judy didn't either. We use a negative verb for either. Repeat after me. Judy didn't either. The second mistake. It is wrong to use to and as well in a negative sentence. I always hear a lot of English learners using to and as well in a negative sentence. Remember, to and as well are always used in a positive sentence. If you agree with what a person says, for example, I like tea, and you could say, I do too, or I do as well. Or sometimes in informal situation you say, me too, or me as well. Now in a negative sentence we use either and neither. So in the same example, we say, Jonah didn't join the meeting. So it's wrong to say, Judy didn't too, or Judy didn't as well. So you could say, Judy didn't either, or neither did Judy. So that's how we use either and neither in a negative sentence. Now let's look at how we use either or and neither nor. In terms of structure, we follow this pattern. For either, we use either plus noun plus or plus noun. For neither, we use neither plus noun plus nor plus noun. Always remember that we're using this structure when we're choosing between two options. Keep in mind, two options, not three, not four. Just two options. Let's take a look at an example. Either or means one of the two, but not both. This means there's only one of the two options. For example, either Joe or Sheila will come to help you. Now in terms of meaning, both of these situations are possible. So it's possible that Sheila will come to help you, or Joe will come to help you. It is important to know that in this sentence, there's only one person that will come to help you. This means one or another. It can be Sheila or Joe. So, either Joe or Sheila will come to help you. Now, neither nor means none of the two. The structure is just the same. Neither plus noun plus nor plus noun. So when we use neither, we will also use nor. For example, neither Sheila nor Joe will come to help you. This only means that none of them will come to help you. So Sheila won't come to help you, and Joe won't come to help you. So either means one of the two, and neither means none. None of them. So either is always combined with or, and neither is always combined with nor. Repeat after me. Either or, neither nor. Now let's correct the following sentences. Number 1. Neither Kat or Jude has a big truck. So what's the mistake? Here the error is or. Why? Because neither is always combined with nor. Let's look at the same example. Number 2. Either Kay nor Kim will join the art club. So here, either is always combined with or. So we should say, either Kay or Kim will join the art club. Just keep in mind when using either or and neither nor in a sentence. The noun closest to the verb determines the agreement of the verb. For example, either my uncle or his sons have a big truck. Here, our verb is have, because the noun closest to the verb is sons, which is plural. That's all for today, guys. I hope you learned something from our lesson today, how to use either and neither. Just always remember that in a negative sentence, we use either and neither. And either always comes last, and it's combined with a negative verb. I can't either, while neither comes first and is combined with a positive verb. Neither can I. Either is combined with or, and neither is combined with nor. And the noun closest to the verb always determines the agreement of the verb. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Till next time. Bye!